Good morning, everyone. Online team, can you hear me? Just give me some time. Yes, just one more second. All right. Just 1 second, team. Okay, so let's start today's sessions. And before that, did you scan all the files, guys, which I shared, right? And one more moment. I will share this 2 days recording sessions to you as well. Just 1 second, guys. So I will share, Uday. I will share all the details, okay? Just one moment. Let me share the screen. Online team and offline. Anybody joined for the first time, guys, from offline team? Your first time? Your first time? Online team, anyone? Okay. So let me tell you guys, we started this new batch on 9th March. All right, guys. And we just covered 2 days only. And first day, what we covered is introductions of Naresh IT, introductions about me, and we built one artificial intelligence projects called object tracking. And then we discuss what is the roadmap to learn data science, guys, and which type of learners are eligible to learn this course, and introductions to course syllabus content still we going on. What is the difference between package module functions we covered in the first day, and we showed some students who placed as a data scientist along with salaries and offers as well. Understand, team? Yep, I'm sharing right now. And second day, anybody tell me what's difference between structured data and unstructured data, guys? Offline, guys. Structured means the data which is leveled, the data which we extract from the DB database. Those kind of data we called it structured. And we see Excel and Python, data analysis in Excel sheets, data analysis in Python, both different things, guys, we already discussed. And we see some of the practical, how to visualize the structured data. And we see a lot of projects as well, how to detect face and eye from the videos. We discussed this one, isn't it? And again, we discussed that, what are the students placed in existing batches. We discussed those things. And I'll recall the course content and introductions to linear algebra. So how a business can connect with the math. We discussed those things, and we discussed about Q&A sessions, guys. So the one who joined for the first time, I am going to share the last 2 days recordings to you. Please get in. Just one moment. Copy this, and online team, I'm going to paste here. This is the past 2 days lecture videos, guys. I highly recommend you to please go back and follow this, the one who joined for the first time. I hope everybody's clear or not, guys, up to this. Understand? Okay, guys. Okay, clear. Now, today's date is 30th. Okay, so few things we'll discuss today, which is called data science architecture. What is meant by architectures, guys? For a layman, if you construct any building, any house, from the foundations level to slab, you guys understand? All this called architectures means when you build a house, you plan your house or not, guys? Where exactly your living room should be, where exactly your drawing room should be, all those things. But what exactly, whenever you work in any organizations, any companies like Wipro, Accenture, Deloitte, and all those things, those organizations has projects, guys, right? You will work on under a projects. Every project has a project architecture. Understand? And let's discuss in this project's architectures, you get to know what is data science, what is ML, what is AI, what exactly, see, because a lot of people explain different things, guys. But now let me talk about this. Just one moment. Okay, just 1 second, guys. All right. So the course which you're going to study is called full stack data science. And let's understand data science, guys. Data science is split into two parts, data and science. And Friday, we clearly discuss what type of data. Anybody explain me, guys? What type of data we saw on Friday? Customer data, image data, speech, video, I mean, sensor. Are you guys understand or not? All these kind of data or not? Video files, all those things we called as data, guys. And what exactly mean by science? Science means from childhood onwards. Are we studying or not, guys? Science. What is science, math, all those things. So what we can call this? It's kind of engineering research, maths, linear algebra, and also it's part of stats as well, statistics as well. Are you guys understand or not? Now, what is data? Data generates from customer and internet as well. Are you guys understand? How the data generates from customers? As I told you, if you visit to any shop in mall, you entered your details or not. For example, you entered your name, you enter which items you purchased. Just 1 second. Just a little bit zoom this one. Oops. Just 1 second, guys. Name, item, gender, your salary. You guys understand or not? So can we call this data or not? So one customer records is one records. Are you guys getting my point? And these data are stored in the DB. These data are stored in the DB. So this is called data or not, guys? Are you guys understand or not? And what type of data generates from internet? Like when you talk with each other in WhatsApp, we text everyone, guys, or not? Instagram messages, Twitter tweets, those kind of data we called unstructured data. I hope you're getting my point, guys, because entire websites creates from XML articles. Entire websites creates from XML articles. So XML articles is unstructured data. I hope understand, guys. And we discussed structured data is equals to supervised learning is equals to labeled data. Are you guys understand or not? And then unstructured data is equals to unsupervised learning is equals to unlabeled data. An interview, I hope you can explain what is meant by supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So most of the interview questions, you might encounter these questions, supervised learning versus unsupervised learning. Are you guys understand or not? Now, so did you see this, guys? I will share all these documents to you. So the one who joined for the first time, I will give the scanner. You can scan the QR code and then you can find out all the details. Understand, team? Now, customers, supervised learning, structured data, labeled data. Understand? And this concepts we called machine learning. Are you guys understand what exactly machine learning? So now let me tell you, machine is learning from the historical data. Are you guys understand? Machine is learn using using historical data, and this type of data is structured data. So no need to worry, I will get into in-depth concepts at machine learning concepts. Are you guys understand or not? So we will discuss in-depth concepts of each and everything, and today I will show one of the practicals, and tomorrow I will show you what are the softwares. I will teach you entire 4.5 month sessions. I will open all the practicals and softwares. I hope you can work on. And day after tomorrow, I will teach you how to install the software. And we started working on from the day after tomorrow. Are you guys understand or not? Everybody's clear? Okay. And let's minimize. Let's go back to this one. So to build this supervised learning, I think Thursday, Friday, we build one projects using which programming, guys? Python programming or not? So to build these projects, we learn Python programming and data science. For data science, Python programming is the best applications, guys. I understand because Python programming has a lot of packages, guys. What are the packages? Anybody remember, guys? What are the packages? Pandas, very good. Matplotlib, Seaborn, sklearn, TensorFlow, understand, and Gensim, and PyTorch, and OpenCV, and YOLO V3, and all those advanced things we need to understand. And this is all the call, guys. Can I get earlier video? Sure, buddy. So I think I already shared it. Everyone. You guys understand? I pasted existing videos. Now the next one, right? And internet. From internet, what type of data it generates, guys? Unsupervised learning, for example, text data, speech recognitions. Alexa, can you play the music? You guys understand? Also, instead of Alexa, you can build your own applications using RNN, recurrent neural network, voice recognitions, image data, NLP. So the data, the text data, which it generates from the internet, that is called what, guys? NLP. NLP means what? Natural language processing is the natural language processing. See, guys, we know we have a human languages, right, guys? We speak in Hindi, please get it. We speak in Hindi, local languages, Telugu, Urdu, English, Marathi, a lot of languages we can speak. But how my machines understand those languages, that's called artificial intelligence. Means we load some of the packages called NLTK, Spacey, all those things. I hope you heard about ChatGPT or not. Yes, guys, ChatGPT is completely built on top of NLP and RNN. Team, are you getting my point? Yeah. Now let's go to this point. So now let's talk about NLP. If the data is text, let me tell you, if the data is text, which techniques we need to implement, which model we need to build, guys? If the data is text, we will build NLP model. Are you guys understand? If the data is image, video, speech, and streaming file and live videos, then we will implement deep learning models. Are you guys understand or not? Online team, I hope. If the data is text, what's meant by text? We speak with each other, so that's called text. Getting my point? If the data is image, video, speech, and if the data is number, then we build ML models. Which models will build, guys? ML models, machine learning models. text models, deep learning model, and these is called data, isn't it? Because on last week we discussed all these details. For example, just if I show this one, customer data, customer name, image data. I showed you some of the practicals: audio data, video data, streaming data, sensor data, XML, PDF data. These type of data we have or not? Are you guys understand? So when you in the NH road, the cameras are installed, means the data captured through the streaming data, live videos, isn't it? This is called data. Are you guys understand? And let's go back to the next one. And once we build the model, we can deploy using Flask, Docker, Cloud, and we automate this process later part, guys. I hope understand. And anyway, if we talk about this one, guys, this is called full stack data science. In full stack data science, what course we will cover? All the separate topics I mentioned: Python, SQL, R, statistics, exploratory data analysis. Data analysis, exploratory data analysis is two different topics, guys. Understand? Machine learning, NLP, natural language processing, which you must need to text, deep learning, neural network, computer vision, deployment, Flask, big data, Spark, Databricks, Hadoop, Azure ML, Tableau, resume, projects, and one-on-one discussions, guys. Are you guys understand or not? Everybody's clear? I mean, you no need to learn SQL separate. You no need to learn R separate. Are you guys understand or not? So in this topic, 4.5 months, everything is covered up. Everything is covered up, guys. Are you guys understand? I would highly recommend the one who joined for the first time, I would watch the 2 days video. It would be excellent, isn't it, guys? I hope understand. All right, now let's go to the another one. So what type of job relevant to the data? What a job available in the market, guys, relevant to the data? Data analyst, business analyst, data engineer, data scientist, and full stack data scientist, guys. Understand? So when you learn towards data, I mean, all the 5 process, I mean, either you can be a data analyst, business analyst, data engineer, data scientist, full stack data scientist. But let me tell you, a lot of people are confusing. What is the difference between what is the, sir, am I eligible to data analyst? Am I eligible to business analyst? Or am I eligible to data engineer? A lot of people and data science or data scientist. Understand there are 4 techniques, guys. Either data analyst or business analyst or data scientist or full stack data scientist, guys. Let me tell you, to become a data analyst job role, understand, you must need to know SQL, Python, EDA, Tableau, and Power BI. Are you guys understand? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 techniques you must require. Understand? Because every day the data is increasing or not, guys? In one family, how many phones we are using, guys? More than 5 or 6 or not? Due to COVID, every colleges, every schools, they have online platform. Lot of students are addicted to the online platform, isn't it? Yes or not? So when everybody use the GBs, the datas are increased or not? The datas are increased, guys. So when the datas are increased, more number of data engineer, data scientists are required. Now let's minimize. SQL, Python, EDA, Tableau. You need to be learn these 4 platforms to become a data analyst. Who are eligible for business analyst, guys? SQL, Tableau, Excel, and communications. Are you guys understand? SQL, Tableau, Excel, communication is must required. What is a business? You need to talk to the leaders. You need to talk to the clients where you get the projects and you assign the projects to the developers. Understand, Tim, who are eligible for business analyst. About data engineer, Apache Spark, Apache Hive, Apache Hadoop, Kafka, SQL. These 4 platforms you must require to become a data engineer. Understand, team? And data scientist, SQL, Python, statistic, machine learning, NLP, deep learning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 concepts, 6 technology you need to require to become a data scientist. And full stack data scientist, if I combine all the 3 topics, guys, if I combine all the 3 topics, then you are become a full stack data science course. Are you guys understand? Everybody's clear? That means, so definitely the full stack data science course, if you're experienced, the package starting, there is no limit for the package, guys. For freshers, of course, some of the startup companies, they will pay 3 lakh per month. I'm sorry, per annum, isn't it? But a little bit good exposure company, they can pay 6 LPA or 7 LPA. You guys understand? Now, every people is migrate to data science, guys. Even though MBA guy, mechanical guy, civil guy, and everybody can transform is possible. Team, I hope understand, guys. So today, so let me write it down. The strategy is, just 1 second. So first you need to be understand the business, guys. So that's why business analyst. The one who analyze the business is called business analyst. And once you understand the business, you take the data based on the business, and that's why we called as a data analyst. Are you understand or not? Once you become a data analyst, and then data engineer means little bit research about the data. Understand, guys? And then data science. And this entire process is called full stack data science, guys. I hope understand. And practically, we do work in the organizations, guys. And so let me tell you, so data analyst, data engineer, and business analyst, they work for historical data. What is meant by historical data? In the database, if you extract the data from 2016 to what is the today's date, guys? 2016 to 12th March 2023. Is it historical data or not? I hope understand, guys. To analyze this data, we require these 3 platforms: BA, DA, data engineer. But data scientist, they understand the past and predict the future. Are you guys understand or not? What exactly mean by that? Let's say in the DMart store, 2018, let's say in winter season, so there are 100 jackets sold. How many jackets, guys? 100 jackets. And then 2019, let's say 150 jackets sold. 2020, 200 jackets sold. 2021, they ordered 300, but the companies lost almost like, I mean, only out of 300, 100 jackets sold. So 200 is waste or not? I guys understand? And 2020, again, 50, but the capacity is required more. Large number of customer requirements, so less items. Are you guys understand? But now, if I tell you how to predict 2023, so what you do, guys? Anybody? Anyone, offline and online team? This is very simple math I'm asking to you. So let's say 2018, 100, 150, 200, 350. Now, I wanted to know what could be the predictions for 2023 winter season. Anyone? How do you do this? Yes, Praveen, unmute you. Yes, Praveen.
Yeah, we might take a average
Very
of the
simple.
all years.
Excellent. Excellent, Praveen. Isn't it, guys? We take a mean or not? If I take an average, so what I'm going to do, I'll take a mean of each year to predict seasonal prediction. Thank you, Praveen. Very simple or not? You know the mean concepts, but when I give one use case, a little bit, I mean, You stuck somewhere. Are you guys understand or not? So this is what happened, guys. You know some of the concepts, but in interview, if somebody asks this kind of case studies, you're not able to respond. So all those things we're going to discuss. So now, are you understand how to predict the future predictions by taking mean of the existing data points or not? I hope understand. Now, this is a lot of required, all those things, guys. And we also covered who are eligible to learn this course and what is front end, back end, what is raw data, clean data. I will explain the later part of the sessions. What is raw data versus clean data? These are two different things, guys. I hope understand. Raw data versus clean data, I will discuss later. And before that, let's come back to this one. See, guys, customer data, supervised learning, and we call this machine learning as well. And internet, the data which generates from internet, we have unsupervised learning. And what type of data generates from internet? Either it is a text data, either it is a speech, either it is a voice. Understand, team? Image data, for image data or video data, we have a deep learning. Which concepts, guys? Deep learning. And deep learning, NLP and deep learning, if I combine, this is called AI, guys, artificial intelligence. Understand, team? And deep learning, we have neural network, RNN, CNN, and all those things, guys. I hope understand. So what is meant by neural network, I will discuss later, but today I'll give you one simple, another AI projects, how exactly runs with some of the packages. No, very simple. I'll talk about one of the projects. And before that, let me introduce one project, guys. And the project is hand gesture sign recognitions. Means I hope you see some of the videos or not. Utkarsh, I'll talk to you later. Is that fine? Utkarsh, thank you, buddy. So hand gesture sign recognitions means if you see some of the videos, the one who cannot speak in the world, the cannot who listen the world, lot of people we have or not? Yes or not, guys? And when they play videos, some of the lady they can found in the end and they can do some of the sign, hand sign or not, guys, for the news channels. So how AI can recognize them? No, that's not emoji. How AI can recognize them? Let's build one projects, guys, and we can understand these things. So just one moment. Okay. Okay. Now let's talk about this. And so let's say when I take a classes, if some guy come, I can say, please get in. I will use my hand or not. If someone make a presentations, the presents were good, means what is meant by that? It's a good presentations. We can do knowingly, unknowingly. Our hand gestures are by default. We can show this, guys. I hope understand. And here also some of the hand gestures like thumbs up, okay gesture, lot of gestures we have. But let's see how exactly we build these models in AI and what is math logic we apply to build this practical. Let's understand. Anyway, I'm going to talk all those things later part, but at this moment, what I'm going to do, just one moment. And we have a lot of modules, CV2, media pipe. These are packages is very important to build the projects, guys. And all the projects is very, very important in a real time as well. And let's discuss those things. I hope you can see me, guys. Did you see the moment when I show the fingers? So my machine is recognized or not? These fingers, guys, I hope understand. And this is one palm. So this is called hand gesture recognitions. I can say thumbs up means what? The presentation is good. V means it is victory sign. Are you guys understand or not? So this is one hand. If I take two hands, so this is, you can detect my two hands or not, guys? But if you see how exactly the code and program is designed, let me tell you guys, in the demo only I'm showing all the projects, because you must need to know what exactly the project is. But let me tell you how the math is work behind. Did you see what is this line called, guys? Wrist line or not? This wrist line will change or constant? Constant. So if I rotate my palm, so the wrist line is constant and the palm point is constant or change? Palm point is constant. Getting my point? And the moment when I keep my palm or hand, it create the bounding boxes. Did you see the bounding boxes here or not? Create a rectangle. And I told you on the Friday how exactly the bounding box is created. Some of the x-axis, if I call this is x-axis, this is y-axis, height or and weight. If I combine x plus y plus w plus h, we create a rectangle or not, guys? I hope understand. And from the center point, this is a constant point. This is also my constant point. And if I close my fingers, and did you see center point is constant. But now, if you talk back to this one, and from this finger point to this finger point, we can compute the Euclidean distance as well. Again, the distance matrix plays a very important role over here. Team, are you understand or not? I mean, let's say your machines understand this sign means victory. Thumbs up means this is okay sign. Online team, I hope you understand or not. Okay. Now, guys, in the demo sessions, why I'm explaining all these projects in the sense, lot of institutes, they just talk back to the theories and done. In organizations, 9 hours, you will practice, you will do practical. Did you know this or not? And my session is entire comeback from the practical. Tomorrow, I will complete all the software, what I will teach you. From Wednesday onwards, I want you to the one, if you want to enroll, you can, it's better. You can bring your laptop and you can install the softwares in front of me. And we start working on basic, all the Python, stats, EDA, one by one, lot of practical, guys. And I will share once you enroll, guys, and also I will share my GitHub link. If you see, follow the GitHub link. How many projects we have, guys? 500 artificial intelligence projects list with code. Are you guys understand or not? 500 list of, but what exactly real-time projects we have? Let me explain some of the projects. The very important Amazon Alexa review sentiment analysis, a product review. What is meant by product review? So let's say before you buy the laptop or iPhone, you see the reviews or not? Are you guys understand? Based on the reviews, you purchase an item. So that product, that project's called Amazon product review sentiment analysis. If 10 people says this item is not good, are you going to buy? Indirectly, machines, you recognize the sentiment of other persons. Am I correct or not? Now let's scroll down. Another one, autocorrect keyboard with Python and machine learning. What is meant by autocorrect keyboard? Do you remember when you type in the, text or WhatsApp, automatic, the words are rectifying or not? Do you think somebody inside in the machines? No, right? How does all those things happen, guys? Everything is done by your ML, machine learning algorithms. What exactly we call, guys? Machine learning algorithms. Now, before I show up, let's talk a little bit about, just one moment. I hope understanding is all those things I shared to you. Let me heading toward pipeline. What is meant by pipeline? What exactly algorithms you need to learn? Let me tell you, dear students, I just wanted to highlight in one thing. When I'm saying data structures and algorithm, no need to scare first thing, because we are not developed this algorithms using C and Java and C++. Am I clear or not? Every company has C developer, Java developer, data scientist, data engineer, testing, cloud department, isn't it or not? Are you guys understand or not? So now You're not going to develop a data structure algorithms from the scratch. If you do this, then non-technical is not good. But for data science, we have packages. What is the packages, guys? sklearn. What is the packages, guys? scikit-learn. This scikit-learn package, when you install the software, sklearn is installed by default. Are you understand? When you purchase a laptop, OS is installed automatic or not? Guys, are you getting my point? Now, the same way, when you install the software, the scikit-learn package is installed automatic. So this scikit-learn contains linear algebra, calculus, data structures, algorithms, math. All those things is combined. What you need to do, you need to call this one from sklearn.tree algorithm, import decision tree classifier. What exactly we call this, guys? Now, is this big code? You can't write this code, guys. Online team and offline team. Are you clear what I'm talking to you guys? Online team and offline. So I hope understand from sklearn.tree import decision tree classifier. But let me tell you what exactly algorithms I will teach you. So while ago, I was discuss about machine learning. If the input data is what, guys? If the input data is number, isn't it? If the input data is text, we use NLP. If the input data is image, video, speech, streaming, what we call deep learning. Excellent. But now, good morning, ma'am. Did you see this, guys? Rajeshwari, she will take, she is the admin of this batch. All right, online team. You can reach out to him and reach out to her. I'm sorry. And any questions you can ask her. I will share her contact number as well. Understand, team? Payment, enrollment, all those things. An offline team, I will send Mr. Valli. He's be here. You can talk to him for any non-technical questions. Technical questions you can ask me. Don't ask me, sir, give me concessions and all those things. Are you guys understand or not? Let me clear. Okay, thank you, ma'am. I will copy this and I can mention this one for online team. You can reach out to Rajeshwari ma'am and her number, contact number. Okay, and for offline team, I will share the contact number shortly. Okay, yeah. Clear, guys, up to this? Now, what algorithms I'll covered? Little bit introductions, guys. Machine learning, we have two parts, supervised and unsupervised, isn't it? So we have in supervised also, let's cover regressions and classifications. What exactly very important concepts, guys? Regressions and classifications. And in regressions, I'll cover simple linear regression algorithms and multiple linear regressions algorithms, polynomial regressions algorithms, gradient descent, support vector, decision tree, random forest, L1, L2 time series analysis, stock market price predictions, guys. Is it real time or these projects will be closed tomorrow? Is it real time or not? You guys understand? Petrol price predictions, gold price predictions, all those things comes under regressions algorithms, guys. I hope understand. And what algorithms comes under classifications? Logistic regressions, SVM, decision tree, naive Bayes, KNN, random forest, AdaBoost. When you learn these algorithms, when you prepare a resume, when you go to the job, this interview questions only they will encounter. Are you guys understand or not? And same questions when you respond, you get a job offer. If your package is 10, you migrate to 15. If your package is 20, you migrate to 30. If your package is 40, you migrate to 75. Please get it. And if you're a freshers, minimum package starting from 3. Minimum, I'm saying. I hope you understand or not, guys. Okay. And then clusterings, we have k-means, hierarchical, DB, scan, PCA. NLP, text mining is very important. Text mining, text pre-processing, tokenizations, lemmatizations, NLP algorithms we have. And what are deep learning algorithms? We have TensorFlow, neural network, ANN, RNN, CNN, and all these concepts. Once you build all the model, we must need to know the statistics or not, because every company is a testing required or not. For example, when we drink water, the water has to be tested or not, guys? Are you guys understand what I'm saying? Any products you take in technical or non-technical, everything has to be tested. The model which we build, we need to check the model's accuracy. For those things, we must require to know the statistical part as well. Are you guys understand or not? So, and once we build the model backend, once we build the model backend, after we test the model, we need to create a front end or not, guys? What is meant by front end? Front end means we create a website. Once we create a website, a user means who are the user? You are the users, I'm the user. The user who use the services front end or website, if they like it, they do the payment gateway or not? Payment gateway. Once the payment transition's done, your business will grow. Your business will grow. Are you understand or not? So means backend plus front end is called full stack. Getting my point? And we connect the backend to front end using some of the APIs. And what APIs I will teach? Flask and cloud. Flask and cloud. I mean, no need to worry. Everything's, as I said, guys, I'll teach you from the basic to expert. I guess understand? And every algorithms, I have to give you examples. If you understand the examples, then the concept is clear and algos are clear. Understand, team? All right. And let's talk about this one. So once we test it, we build the model using help of Jobly Pickle, and every company has two server, guys. One is applications, one is production. One is application server and production server. I'll explain in-depth concepts of it. For example, www.amazon.com. When you wake up at 3 a.m. morning, if you log it to Amazon, the server is up or down? Up means somebody is working the backend or not. I guess understand? Now, when the server is down, let's say big billion, Flipkart big billion day. If your server is down, lot of business lost to the Flipkart or not? Isn't it, guys? Now, how, another question, if 2 CR user log in to the server at same time, it's heavy load to the server or not? So how the developer manage all those things? You guys understand all those things, guys? How the developer manage all those things, team? And this is there's a lot of big concepts behind this, guys. Load balancing, horizontal scaling, vertical scaling, lot of things we have. But I'm just giving you some of the example because deployment is very, very important. Deployment is very, very important. Are you guys understand? So I'll give you one projects and in detail explain about what is application server and what is production server, all those things. I hope understand. And now let's minimize and go back to this one. Anyway, I think everybody shared this. Did you take the scan this one or not, guys? Just one moment. Morning batch. QR code. Anyone scan this file, guys? Or you take a photo and might be you scan later? Once you scan this file, you get all the codes, content, and up-to-date files. Even though I shared, I want you to scan once again, guys, because I load this notebook in there. I load this every daily notebook in there, guys. Just one moment. You take a photo and later part you can scan it. Or do you know how to scan it or not? If you don't know, then also I will share this one to you. For example, I think the Google Drive link I have, and I can share that as well. Where is that? Okay, I will share at the end. No need to worry, guys. Now let's talk about, yeah. Now let's talk about another lot of questions. Let me go to, okay, this is my GitHub profile. I will share to everyone. Time series projects, deep learning projects, ML projects, web scraping projects, chartbot projects, Python GUI with the regressions analysis, classifications with Python, a lot of things we'll share with you guys. Now let's go back to the Google, and I can say that, and it's better. I can open my LinkedIn. In the LinkedIn, do you have jobs tab or not, guys? Do you have jobs tab? Isn't it? And in this jobs tab, let's click it here. And let's say this is LinkedIn is one of the excellent professional websites for leaders, developers, managers, everybody, guys. Understand? Now, a lot of people apply in Naukri and LinkedIn. They're two good professionals website. Understand? Now, in front of you, I just open it and I can say AI, ML, data science, telecoms industry, and Delhi cantonment means, let me tell you, lot of people apply government job. Government job means they have mindset only IAS, IPS, chartered accountant, postman, all those things are not, guys. But nobody has think that even though data scientist also they have government job. Did you know this, guys? Like military, when they talk wire transfer, for them speech translations, that is also requirement of data scientists, guys. Are you getting my point, what I'm saying? All right. Now, let me show you some of the opportunities. And 3 weeks ago, when they implement, guys, 3 weeks ago, and managers, based on my profile, these calls will come. And let's say you can ask, did you see all these opportunities? And I can say this, once you check this, city it asking for, you can apply across the globe using LinkedIn file. It asking for which cities you want to apply. You do not say I will apply in only Hyderabad. Are you guys understand? Just mention you can India, or just click it here. And once you click and they're looking for the label, and 3 days ago, lead applications data science. And if you click this, do you have internships, entry level, associate level, mid senior level, director, execute level? That means which level you wanted to apply. If you're not a freshers, I want you to select this, and let's select everything. There's no harm. Are you guys understand or not? Let's get an interview call. Let's speak with the other person. You understand how much capability you have, because you guys are migrating from non-technical to technical. Let me tell you, data scientist is not a developer job. My dear students, please understand this. Are you guys getting my point? A good developer cannot be a data scientist. Understand? You need to have analytic skill. What is meant by analytic skill? Let's say if I give you a car, let's say if I give you a car, you drive a car, let's say the road is very gully, you can judge it or not, whether the car will, do you see any of these concepts in textbook? Guys, are you getting my point? What exactly I'm saying? Will you get these skills in a textbook? I'm asking you. No, right? This is called analytic skill. By apply analytic skill, you will give suggestions to the farm or organizations. What could be the next level of organizations? Did you see, if you attend some of the conferences, they will say TCS predictions for next quarter, this much of percentages. I hope you heard about this, all those things or not. Everybody's getting my point, what I'm saying? So it's a lot beyond of the stories. And once show, let me click this. Did you see Pune, 3 companies, and how many employees? 200 to 500, mid senior level. Now what exactly job descriptions? Let's say, guys, roles and responsibility: developing and maintaining database, performing analysis to assess quality and meaning of the data. Before you apply any job, read the JD. JD means what, guys? Job descriptions. Means based on the job descriptions, prepare your resume. Then only you get interview call. But in India, what exactly I see, one resume they prepared and they're done. They apply for 1 year, never get interview call. You guys understand or not? If let's say company has required of woodworker, now in the resume you should mention I know woodwork, then only you get an interview call or else not. So based on the company's profile, please change your resume. Team, everybody's clear or not? Understand? And let's go back. Still, identify, analyze, interpret patterns and trends in complex data. What's meant by the patterns and trends? On Friday, I was explaining one of the practical. What patterns we got on Friday? Do you remember? What pattern we got? Positive collinear or not? Movies rating is goes. I guys understand or not? Rating of the movie in IMDb. Lead data scientist, Unilever. Associate director of data, Verizon. Data science researcher. Are you guys understand? And let me tell you which business domain acquire AI. But before that, I just wanted to go back to this one, guys. Just one moment. Just one moment. Okay. I wanted to ask one question. What is meant by live projects? A lot of people ask, sir, are you provide live projects? I said 200% yes. But my questions, are you practice? You guys understand or not? Now, let me go back. In 2017 onwards, artificial intelligence or data science jobs produced from internet. Big data. What's meant by big data, guys? When the data is large, that is called big data. Let's say when you use your phones or not, in the phone, the size is 512 MB RAM or 80 GB, some more GBs is there. If you load 10 movies, what happened? The memory is getting filled or not? Now the data is big or small? It's a big data. Are you guys understand or not? Now my question, data is increasing or decreasing? Increasing rapidly. 2017, I mean, very less domains used AI. Understand? Let me tell you. I wanted to ask a few questions. Advertising domain. Do you think it will close tomorrow? Advertising. Yes or no? No. Automotive industry. Yes, it will close tomorrow? No. Constructions. Not at all. Finance, never ever. Educations, never. Healthcare, investment, logistic, oil, gas, mining, sports, aerospace, consumers, energy, gaming, insurance, legal, manufacturing, real estate, telecom, agricultural, business service, defense, fashion, public sectors, IT, scientific research, media, and transportations. Guys, I'm asking to you, all these domains you can plant AI. Means as I said, whenever you have Excel sheet, there is the concepts called data science or AI. Guys, are you understand or not? Now, my questions to you, which domain does not use Excel sheets, guys? Any company did you find does not maintain Excel sheets? Not at all, guys. Not at all. Even the pharmacy, supply chain, fashions, everybody has to maintain Excel sheets. But one thing, as I said, in Excel sheets, you cannot load more than this much data. You know more rows, right? In Excel sheets, you cannot cross. If I have 1 crore 50 lakhs line items, Excel cannot handle. That means what happened to the business? Do you think business is limited? Business is limited. Business won't grow. To make your business grow, that's why I want you to learn data analyst with the help of pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and seaborn, so that it handles multi-billions rows still, if it is slow, still, if the data cannot handle, then we need to introduce big data tool called PySpark or Databricks. I hope you guys understand or not. First, Excel data is limited. How much? 10 lakh 50,000. So that we'll introduce to Python some of the frameworks, pandas, numpy, and still that is slow. We can implement to big data tools called Hadoop. If still it is not managed, let's go to the cloud, and this would be the full stop for everything. And the cloud, AWS, Amazon, there's a big tech companies, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Snowflake. So now here, Amazon has AWS. I hope you understand. AWS has many services, guys. And then Microsoft has Azure product. Google has GCP. Snowflake has their own cloud, Snowflake cloud. Guys, are you understand or not? So why I talk you all those things, I want you to, this is the demo sessions, guys. In the demo sessions, if you understand, you see some of the practical, you see the some of the which company. Now my question to you, do you think that's what when you open any YouTubes, any articles, by 2025, the data science jobs will grows up to 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs. Are you getting these messages or not? Are you getting these messages? Now scalar and all those things are they good for marketing. Are you understand? But here, if you talk, a lot of my students already got placed, guys. But before that, I just wanted to highlight in this one. Okay, so we are at 2023, isn't it, guys? Where we are at 2023. Did you see this color code? This color code is for advertising. This color code is for aerospace. Now, all 2025, most of the companies has to be acquired AI. Team, are you understand or not? Now, where exactly the projects, what type of projects we have? Let me show you some of the projects ideas and some of the projects. Automatic license number plate recognitions in national highway. If the vehicle is going very fast, you got a cameras or not, then install the catch your license plate. And automatic time series forecasting means your model will detect what could be the stock tomorrow, what could be the gold price tomorrow, what could be the petrol price tomorrow or next month or next to next month. You can also predict your father income, why very less compared to others. That can also, you can build the model, guys. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Lot of things is possible. And another one, build a digital transformations. I'll talk about build a scene and image colorization using deep transfer learning and cartoonify image with me. Did you see, if you Play Store, some of the apps are there. When you install the app, if you upload your face, it's look like cartoons or not, guys? Who done all those things? Everything is done by your machine learning part, guys. I think I have that projects. Let me show you. And it can also, just one moment. And I want to talk, open it. DL project sketch draw from image. Just trust me, guys, the session is fantastic. And because a lot of students already placed, as I showed you many times. And let me show this again with the hands-on packages, because some of them are first time joined. So let's see some of the visuals for that. And here, and I specially maintain one folder for the placed student only, and everything has placed. These are my placed students, guys, or the packages 14, 16, 10, and all those things. And also in entire 4 months, let's say my existing, I also take some of the batches, guys. The one who got placed, I will call him up to the batches. You will be sitting here, I'll call to the person, he will speak with you so that you also get motivated, guys. I hope understand what I'm trying to say. So let's say my existing student, the one who stays in Hyderabad, I request his time so he will come back and you can listen how he struggled and what type of preparations we can make, all those things. Team, everybody's clear or not? So all the play students list, you can see their LinkedIn profile as well. Their profile has got changed. Everybody's clear or not? If still more questions, I highly recommend you to attend the Ask demos. Now, before in the time, let's go back and I will tell you later, but this is demo. I don't expect me to. I'll talk to you guys. Just 1 second. I'll talk to everyone. Did you see? Let me close this and I'll make it enter. So what exactly happened? So in this image, anything you keep it, it's only the edge detections or not, guys? I mean, you can't see your face, but you can see the edges. Cartoonify, it's not cartoonify, but still you can find out the edges or not of your faces. I mean, who done all those things? Now, when you build all these projects in your laptop, I want you to know, will you get confident or not? You are same equal to the students who fly to learn US, UK, and they spend 50 lakhs, guys, and they can also learn from same things. They'll explain all the topics, guys. I hope you guys clear. So let me stop this. Just one moment. Okay, now let's talk some of the Q&A and let's kernel and okay. Now, yesterday, the funny part is one student asked, sir, all the experienced candidate only ask questions. Now, is it freshers can study or not? Come on, man. If someone talk, why you be scared? Am I correct or not? You guys understand? If you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm here. Offline team, I would humble request, attend the class, bring your laptop, install the softwares, fix the bug. I will help you. Online team, for you, also, I will share any desk access. What is any desk access? Any desk access, this is any desk access. The moment if you have questions or bug, maybe my lab mentors are there. If they cannot fix it out, I take your AnyDesk access. The moment when I enter, see all our students, all of my students, they have some issues. We fix some of the bugs. I log into your laptop and I can work, fix the bug. Getting my point? And once you enroll, we will create this type of class 10 a.m. My next batch 10 o'clock. And so if you see, I create the classroom like this, guys. And see, some of the students, they started working these data. I will talk to you. Did you see they fix some of they start working on the projects, guys, and they try to build some of the models and they find their accuracies as well. And I post, this is the way about Spider for Mac users. It works. Understand? And this is what we can continue. I post some of the today's sessions. I post like this. You can download and you can start work. You'll post your error. This is what the session goes on for 4.5 months. And as I said on Friday, and 2.5 months, I will give resume. You will apply. Understand? If you not get interview calls, I'm here. You can ask me. I will change the projects, guys. Understand, team? And this is the way by the time this batch will complete, I will have minimum 3 offers. Trust me, guys. Every batch I have, you can 10 M students, they will come. If you can ask, they knows that because they will attend the practice. A lot of students placed. I'll introduce to them as well. 3 offers will come. I hope you understand or not. Okay. Now, tomorrow, I will teach you all the softwares, what softwares I introduce, and then from Wednesday onwards, I will install the applications. We start working on coding from basic. What is identifier? What is data types? What is data structures? All those things. And we will be started. Right, guys? Okay. Now, let me go back to Paul, unmute you. Saurav, unmute you. And in the
Hello, sir.
meantime, I want you to.
Hello, sir. I am Saurabh from Maharashtra, and
I
I want to
cannot
join
hear
your.
you. Just one moment. audio setting. Now, who's this, Paul? Can you please go ahead?
Hello, sir. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, you are audible. Go ahead.
Sir, I want to join your offline batch in April month, sir. Is there any batch available for which you are going to teach in April?
April, I don't know, buddy, because this is recently we started. So you can connect online. By April, you can visit here, right? That's also possible.
But sir, actually, from today, I have my semester exams up to
Okay.
31st of March. Hence, sir, I want to join your offline batch in April 9th.
So you can talk to the admin. They can get back to you about it. And in the meantime, you can follow my LinkedIn as well. Yes,
Okay,
Saurabh?
sir. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Paul, unmute you.
Yeah, thanks, Jana. Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Paul. So I have an around 15-year experience. I'm a hardcore developer.
Very good.
Okay, so I want to learn most of the things are AI. Okay,
Yes.
so deep learning, right? I have so many things are in my mind in my current project. I can do that some POC. I can take it forward to the next level, right?
Very good.
So my own interest, I want to learn. Now I want to do that all the POC. Then I need to after 6 months or 1 year, right? Once I well versed, I want to move to the AI role, right? That's what I'm thinking.
Exactly.
So how you will going to help for my
very simple. So what we do, see, POC, let me tell you, not all POC become alive. Am I correct or not? And another, okay, Paul, unmute you, I think. Yeah. So another one, so you know all the code, but you need to know little bit technique on AI technique. Means how the model trained, how cross validations happens, how tuning, and how to in productions, what kind of issues you will face. When you know all the concepts and how to deploy in the cloud, and each and every POC is different to others as well. And all those things, you must need to know the stats concepts to test some of the use cases. When you need all those things, definitely see my lot of students also like your level, they learned and they more explain to the leaders now and they're more satisfied.
Okay, super. Yeah.
I hope understand, Paul.
Yes,
Thank you.
I understand. I have one more question,
Please,
Krishna.
please.
Quickly, I can cover it.
Yes, yes.
Are you going to cover any GPT related API? Because I have tried some API,
Yeah.
right? OpenAI API I have used for some, POC purpose. But I don't know how to create our own model and you can use it.
Let me tell you, for GPT, most of the companies, it's a green signal, but for some of the company, red signal. That means some of the companies they use not. But here GPT, the concepts of the GPT is NLP. And we covered this one here. And GPT APIs, I will share on personal, all those things. And anyway, I'll share my contact details later part and we can keep in touch further as well.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you, Sena.
Okay, thank you, Paul. Okay, what is meant by POC? POC means proof of concepts, guys. Proof of concepts. I can call as R&D. In IT term, or we called as research and development. A lot of company that research and development, guys, they have a lot of opportunities for data science research and development, and now they called as POC. Okay, Deshmukh, great. Now, Praveen, unmute you. Nayak, unmute you. Santosh, unmute. Offline team, listen some of the questions. You can also understand what type of questions they have. And if you feel bored, I think you can leave for the day. No problem. I hope.
Hi, sir.
You're clear, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Please go
Hi,
ahead.
sir. This is Praveen Raju.
Please go ahead.
And yeah, I've been working as a Java developer for past 4 years, and I have overall 7 years of experience. I started my initial career with mainframes and AutoSys developer. So currently my package is it's a fixed is 21.5 and variable is 24.
So overall 24.
Yes.
Okay.
And so if I change my career to data science, how much I could expect? This is my first question. And
yeah, so yeah, please go ahead. I'm sorry.
Yeah, will Java development help me to go through this data science?
Okay, so what exactly the first thing you have to unlearn and relearn again? Whatever you learned, you have to unlearn and relearn. What exactly happened? 24. Let's say the first package you will get 30. or 36 LPA as well. And after that, once you get one offer, I want you to stick to this. And then you can see, I have my one student whose name is Devi Prasad. Okay. And he is 12-year experience with SAP HANA. His package was 43 LPA. Now he get an offer of McKinsey and TechM offer of 73 LPA. I have his profile as well. Now, how much package you will get based on the interview, based on the way of we can all those things. I hope understand, Praveen Raju.
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right.
So my development skills will work for this.
Definitely. Why not? See, as I said, development plus analytics, it could be a great combinations. You learn the analytics, domain, business, stats, and development part. Data science, no need to write much code over here. Understand, Praveen?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for clarification.
Nayak, unmute you.
Yes, sir. Hi. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, thank you. Sir, actually, my problem is that actually I am a 45-year-old guy, and I am into network support engineer. Okay.
Okay.
I work as a network support engineer since last 12 years. But I want to, but my salary package is very low.
Okay.
So I want to switch to.
If you want, just 1 second, Mike. If you want to listen to the questions which asked by the employee, you can see the package is 24 LPA. They're saying or not. Are you guys understand?
Because they
1 second, Mike. Yeah, 1 second, Mike. So I'm talking to your offline team. If you listen, you understand what type of students they are, even though they're getting package, they come and listening and learning. Are you understand? Now you're a freshers. Now you shouldn't raise a question, sir, I'm not experienced. So what? Freshers becomes experience. Though me also, I learned from basic, then we jump up. Now any IT means keep learning till the death. Very simple, guys. Keep updating the skills. Am I correct or not? Now, if I give you Bajaj Chetak old vehicle, will you drive? No, right? The same way, our mind has to be upgraded, not technology. I hope you understand. Okay, just 1 second. Nayak, please go ahead. I'm sorry.
Okay. So what are the mathematical skills? I need to know that I am very weak at mathematics.
Yeah, so I'll tell you. As I said, when you call sklearn package, the math automatically called by the package. Understand, Nayak? But now, for you, there is a project called customer feedback analysis. Whenever you do any of the projects like network, the customers is very important or not? Yes, Nayak?
Yeah. Definitely.
So there is a lot of projects relevant. You can connect AI to network as well. I understand. So you know the business, and if you learn the skill, and 15 years back there was no data science, I want you to recommend to mention only 3 years work as a data analyst and change the profile. Let's give interview. Let's see. And after that, any issues, you can connect with me on phone call as well.
So means we don't need to know the statistics and the
Yes.
mathematics.
See, I will tell you, you must need to know this. Let me tell you, that's what you learning all the math concepts. Like we need to understand what is derivative, gradient descent, probability, multinomial, naive Bayes, all the concepts I will teach you. But in interview, do you think the interviewer, the one who will ask, he will know the math formula? No, right, Nayak? I hope understand.
Okay.
They don't know the math formula. They want to know how to use this in your projects. And if you explain this, then that would be great. And that's what I'm saying. Every day I'll assign some of the projects, and it's more relevant to the real time. And once you've done the projects, it could be an excellent.
Are you going to provide the mathematical skills which are required in our course?
I'll show you. There are some of my students, if I show this, what we call math formula, which I covered, you're going to be shocked. Just one moment. Download and documents prepared by learner, formula sheets, open it. Is this math formula? population standard deviations, coefficients, sample variance. I want you to prepare these formula sheets. Will you prepare? Type 1 error, type 2 error. And then we have G-score, chi-square test, degree polynomial, hyperplane, F-value, cost functions, recall, FPR, sigmoid. Guys, are you understand now? I hope your question is clear.
Yeah.
All this covered. And you might again start, can I learn this? That's another question. You shouldn't ask these questions being an expert. Are you guys understand? So that's what we're learning. Slow by slow, we covered all the topics, all math formulas, guys. Then only you get an interview call. And that's the reason my students getting placed every batches, guys. And look at all are not expertise, guys. They're freshers itself. Their experience, non-technical team. Nayak, I hope understand.
Yeah, sir, another request, sir. Can you type those in screen which are the mathematics so that I can learn it in my home also, in my part-time?
Which
I will share, like
definitely I will share all those things. I will share all those things. See, let me tell you, Nayak, a lot of people thinks that whatever I learn, that would be correct. But actually, company does not require that. We need to learn based on the requirement. Are you guys understand or not? Let's say
the basics, sir. I need some basics only.
Sure, I will tell you. See, as I said, you can work along with me. That's it I want. Every day I will tell you to please log into the app. You can log in. Please log in to download these applications. You can download. I will give you some of the code. You can run in front of me. And every week, Saturday, Sunday, I'll give holiday so that I'll give a lot of work. Nayaka, you understand? Did you see this? My existing students, they have a lot of assignments I'm assigning. Are they working or not? Nayak, are you there?
Okay, sir.
And also I will share the books. I want you to, let me tell you guys, I will share a lot of books. You follow that book, you can create own YouTube channels as well. Team, are you getting my point? What I'm saying? Nayak, I hope you're clear.
Okay, yes.
Thank you. Santosh Kumar, unmute you.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, actually, I have some different questions. Means I talked with one of the consultants from Bangalore from Newton School.
Okay.
And they are providing the same data science class for 6 months, and they are charging like 1 lakh and 1.5.
No, don't pay. Come sit in front of me. I will take care of it. You go and you take a training over there. Because I do know that, guys, lot of students, see, if you have money, you can go, buddy. No need to worry. You attend my demo and their demo, you compare, which is feels good, you can come back. I'm also a faculty of upgrade, guys. Understand or not? I was faculty of great learners as well. They charge 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs. And they learn there and come back to me. Understand? What's your question? I hope you guys clear. Santosh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you want to, if you want to go there, go. But first,
no, I don't have that much money. That's why I want to join this course.
I hope understand, Santosh. No problem. Today's sessions, are you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Friday sessions, are you understand or not?
Yes.
Are you comfortable to understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, I'm getting it.
Then that's okay. All right, Santosh. Now you take a call. It's all up to your decisions. Thank you. Yeah, Preston, unmute you.
Hey, thanks for that, Prakash. 2 questions. One, can you be able to send it link instead of URL instead of QR?
Yeah, I shared the QR again. Did you see this?
No, I want the link instead of drive link direct.
Yeah, one moment. Drive. Offline team, you can ask to Wally for any further questions. Okay, guys. And one moment, I will share the number as well. Yes, Prasanna.
Sure. And the second question is, if you can look at the chat, I personally DM'd you. Can you look at that? Because I'm not able to speak. I'm in office.
One moment. Are you in office now? Okay. Maheshwar, is that your basic laptop software? No, what I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, Maheshwar? I didn't get any message from you, Prasanna.
There is a direct message in the chat.
No, I didn't find you. 1 second.
I'll try to post it again.
No, please do this. I will share the drive link.
Can you check now once, please?
Yeah. DBA for working profession. Can you be able to get me on that? I'm planning to do a doctorate in data science. DBA for working. Definitely. Why not? Definitely. I will
kind
talk.
of a doctorate. Yeah.
Sure. I
Not a
will.
PhD.
Just 1 second. Oops.
Thanks for the link.
Yeah, sure. I will. Did you get the link?
Yes.
Okay, and 1 second. Okay, you can reach out to me. Okay. All right. Yes, Prasanna, I shared. Just Naveen, unmute you. Offline team, let me tell you guys, the moment when you scan this QR code, okay, and you will get all the files, whatever we have here, all the files, whatever you have here, right? And every day what I covered, course content, all the files we have, and we need to follow every day step by step. No need to worry, guys. Okay, any questions, you can come back and you can ask me immediately. Unmute you, Naveen. Naveen, unmute you. Any specific time? You just ping, I will get back to you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So online guys, I think we'll connect tomorrow. Okay. And we discuss some of the softwares, which softwares you will learn in entire programs. And we'll see how NASCOM certifications you will get. All the discuss part we'll covered. And then we talk about bring your laptop. If you enroll, if you think it makes you better way. So if you enroll, then I want you to bring your laptop and I will tell you to install the applications. You can install the applications, then we start working on Python programming. Everybody's clear or not? Yeah. And just one moment, let me close them, then I'll talk to you. Sheikh, please go ahead. Unmute you. Downloading from Drive. No, see, there's a few things you cannot download. I think this is just, you can take a photos as well. This to know what to cover. Anyway, in-depth concepts we'll teach in the classes, right? Yeah. Mohammed, unmute you.
Yes, sir. Have a good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please go ahead.
Sir, I am now fresher. I have a course AI full stack developer. Yeah, good field, yeah, no.
It's absolutely good field. Why don't you think it's not a good field?
No, I have a TK developer for Java full stack Java course, and compared to AI, then best course for me.
No. I don't understand what you're trying to ask. You can speak in Hindi, buddy, no problem. See, guys, you can speak with me in Telugu, Hindi, Odia, and English, Tamil as well. Understand? And you can speak with me any language, but in interview, don't speak with Telugu, English, Hindi, and all those things. Are you guys understand?
Okay.
Yeah. Please go ahead. Yes, Mohammed, batao. Yeah.
सर मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि सर मैं फ्रेशर हूं अभी और मैं एआई डेवलपर का कोर्स मेरे लिए बेस्ट रहेगा या जावा डेवलपर में मेरे को जाना चाहिए?
See, every company has different department. If you have Java developer, you have a good scope. If you have AI developer, you have a good scope. How much good are you at code? If you're good at code, then learn both. There is no harm. As I said, you can eat non-veg and veg as well, isn't it, guys? I'm just giving you some of examples. I hope you understand. Right, Sheikh?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, Naveen, please go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please go ahead, Naveen. I can hear you.
Hello.
I can hear you, buddy. Go ahead, Naveen. Naveen, I can hear you. I think you have some issues. Yeah, Deshmukh, unmute you. MVR, unmute you.
Yeah. Hello, Prakash.
Hi.
So I'm Nutan Deshmukh. Just I want to know because some people, when I'm trying to search about the scope of data science and AI, so some people tell me to go for the data science, and some are tell me to go for AI ML. So which is better, or both are the similar things?
Let me tell you, if I talk about a cricket has batting, fielding, bowling, right? Now,
Yeah.
if I ask you what is difference between cricket and batting is part of cricket or not?
Yes.
The same way, data science and AI and ML is part of the data science. All four together is once. So data science is combination of ML, AI, NLP, statistics, all those things. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Understood.
Are you happy? Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you.
Okay. So guys, I'm giving you example just not for fun, time pass. I want you to understand. Lot of people in the market just explain like that, not understand. You understand? If a small kid come back to you and ask what's meant by 3 plus 5, if you say 8, okay, 8, but he don't understand the concept. If you give him 3 fruits and 5 fruits, if I combine, then is he understand or not? Same way, I will teach algorithms as well. What is naive, what is KNN? Understand the examples, then you can connect to your practical and open and speak to the interview. The interview will be clear, trust me. Understand, guys? All right. Yeah, so thank you so much. Deshmukh will talk to you tomorrow. Okay. And I think I clear Naveen, I cannot I can hear you, but you can't talk to me. All right, thank you so much, and we talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day, guys. Bye.